Hey, kinfolk, it's our favorite time of the year. The holidays are here. We're kicking off our holiday recipe series with something truly irresistible, sweet potato bread pudding. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you will need a loaf of brioche bread, sweet potatoes, pecans, eggs, brown sugar, granulated sugar, butter, milk, heavy whipping cream, vanilla, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Start by poking holes all around 2 medium-sized sweet potatoes using a fork. Place them on a baking sheet and bake at 400 degrees for 45 to 60 minutes or until they're tender. While those bake, cut a loaf of brioche bread into cubes. Chop up a half cup of pecans for the topping and another half cup for the sauce. To make the topping, combine a half cup of chopped pecans, 4 tablespoons of softened butter, and a 4th cup of brown sugar. Mix until just combined, then set it aside for later. Once the sweet potatoes are done, let them cool for a bit, then cut them in half. Scoop out the insides into a large bowl and give them a quick mash, just enough to break them down. Next, add a cup of brown sugar, a cup of granulated sugar, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a half teaspoon of nutmeg, a tablespoon of vanilla, and 4 eggs. Mix it all together until well combined. Then add a 4 cup of melted butter, a half cup of heavy whipping cream, and 2 cups of milk. Mix it again until everything's fully combined. Pour the mixture over the cubed brioche bread and gently mix to coat each piece. Transfer the bread pudding to a baking dish and lightly press down the top to smooth it out. And remember that topping we made? Grab it and sprinkle it all over the bread pudding. Place it in the oven and bake at 350 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes. While it's baking, let's make a pecan praline sauce. Melt 4 tablespoons of butter, then add a cup of brown sugar, a tablespoon of vanilla, half cup of chopped pecans, and a cup of heavy whipping cream. Give it a stir. Bring it to a simmer, and once it starts to bubble, cut the heat and let it thicken. When the bread pudding is done, take it out the oven and let it rest for 10 minutes. And there you have it, sweet potato bread pudding. We hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our recipes. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.